The Tibetan words for dance, ga and cham, appear frequently in Dharma texts. When we explain what is meant by the words ga and cham, dance that emphasizes steps or the movements of the feet is called cham, and ga refers to dance where there is more emphasis on the movements of the hands and arms. So the Lama dance performed here is cham, or a dance that emphasizes the steps. The yogis who perform Lama dance should have clear perceptions of the deity, stable pride, and visualize themselves as the deity. As they are imagining themselves as the deity, they think that all the physical motions they make are the expressions of the deity or the deity's motions. In the same manner, the spectators of a Lama dance should not think of Lama dancing as an ordinary performance or ordinary dance. If you know how to practice the secret mantra, it is important to train in the pure perception connected with tantric practice, and think that you are actually seeing the deity while at the same time cultivating faith.
다 될래야 참 천하도 가르쳐고요 그랬으나 그럼 될래야 최종 수맥이 가르쳐고요 그랬어 최종 수맥이 다간다 아주 넘규르라 최종 수맥이 르뷰 그게 재단래야 레모체는 빼체는 저고요 그랬어
Purifying ourselves of the fixation on ordinary appearances is of primary importance in the Mantrayana. Therefore, it is very important for the performers of Lama dance to try to block the fixation on ordinary appearances, and the spectators as well should put effort into blocking fixation on ordinary appearances.
대라양 점바도시 상기 균이 숭바당 다나신 라만남기 시시 최경 숭마도 시시 엔드제가 다지 상외 명아래 중화 다디즈나 명아래 중화 니용디 아래 강다량 최경디 주기 tempa suye kableya namjul khande tyongyo ba dragi duye kableya namjul khande tyongyo ba oda dela sobe gi ji namjul te zoleya lemoche peche ne nenjurbe chamthagoyo ares
On this important occasion, there will be 3 different dances performed: the female guardians of the gate, the black hat drum dance, and the Shinkyong.
엔 고메 참데 되는 시래 나 고메 참디 참나 당보디 고메 참자고 해야 돼 다리 미세 고메 참디 나로랴 남준的民着 참 가시지 퇴바요래 항마요래 나디 참 항마디 제자디지 냠발라 수요서로 제제 엔 냠발라서 나 데데기 추도 아니 가서 고마 탑주고 된데 남주 별라 수고물이야 샤나안 좀 쳐두스다네 신경 차야다 고마 차야다 된데게 요 말에 이내 다리 미세체제 당부 고마 탑 아니 죽을 신경 차야 도시 말에 제가 디세시现在我都三节讲出这些属于
These skeleton dancers are called the lords and ladies of the charnel grounds. They are worldly spirits whose history can be traced back to the Bon religion. They serve as protectors of the charnel grounds and reminders of the ever-present reality of death.
참나 당부디 민래다 고마스요래 다더러 고마시 적주 샤고 작조 티브지 고마시기 나 창고스르셔
The primary function of this dance is to summon the consciousness of the enemy, lasso it, bind it, and drive it crazy. We summon our ego clinging in the form of an enemy and purge it. Here the term enemy does not mean an outer enemy or an actual individual. Actually, the word enemy refers to our ego clinging. The enemy has been driven into an effigy, which is placed on the ground in front of the dancer. the dancer is a yogi who has power, when they summon and purge the enemy, in that instant that individual realizes selflessness and is liberated. This is what we call a yogi being liberated on the point of the purba. The yogi chops and slices the ego, which is represented by a torma made of sampa.
다디 제량 처는 이버디 샤나만 점래 샤나만 좀 사디 센터다 따고는 가라사나 고라 샤나가 라발 나 군이 참저부에서 되기 샤나만 좀 스타브레스 제라들이 참 조디 샤나만 좀 임버래 추주 숨시 차요 다 추주 숨시 지지는 가서 모이기래 내 차야요 아래 다리 아주 자르파베 율리아 샤낭 안점 다리 자르파베 율리아 까마버 주어 통한테 제베 곰베 레장 첨모다 곰베 기타 초가 계슈디 레장 첨모다 에는 곰베 안점 첨모디니 덥지도 차라디 자파베 율레 팅탐 차디 와레 배 간생 종리야 버지 로 니제 순제 나로래야 버지 중요한 말했으려나 저기 와래 삼청도
This dance came from a vision of the 6th Karmapa, Tongwa Donden. When he was 6 or 7 years old, he had a vision of Mahakala and choreographed this dance. It is a special dance of the Karma Kamtsang. If you watch the dance closely, you will see that there are some childlike movements, and this is because he choreographed it when he was still very young. Later, the 7th Karmapa, Chudrak Gyatso, the reincarnation of the 6th Karmapa, Tongwa Donden, said, "The black hat drum dance should be danced like this," and performed it while he was still a young child. He also made a few minor changes to this dance.
안디 갈래야 샤낭한 좀 타마타마들이야 아니야 참 고랑 무튜이니래 무튜이네 고랑 참 torma phaya sor phaya ta torma phaya salam dugmendo torma phaya ge chamjore ti kama busumron ju doji gi ningme gi mamu gyule tene ze shawa dire jimre 다들 참나 니버디 쉬었습니다. 참나 수버디 신경 그 참입니다. 신경디 까마비 최경 코로나이 낭센지 차대 어라라 다는 신기 저리저 이 시기 콜로스다 저리기 내기 수만이 배 차네 안 버지 신경 나야지 용되게 유스래.
Shinkyong has a lion face. According to the oral tradition from the lamas, in the retinue of four-armed Mahakala, there is a lion-faced protector, who is the same as Shinkyong. He is said to be an emanation of Sri Chakrasamvara, or four-armed Mahakala. Shinkyong became a protector of the Karma Kamtsang during the time of the second Karmapa, Karmapakshi. From the time of the second Shamakacha Wangpo, he also became a special protector of the incarnations of Shama Rinpoche.
안에 신경원데다 미세기 최경 현래 투제 체화나 우루 뉴와 나든데 인수하라 다 더리디 신경과 참차과의 견세인데 조디 참창기인데 벤신 권백이 기누버스의 참차고 알아 안에 신경원데 벤신 권백이 투무모인 배송나 자천부 쓰는 거 알아 제자 조디 결지 땡가를 묻지 다 영시 유뉴르 페토바다 엔 델라야지 바색이 참아 지여베이나 다 탐지 냐와르 시위 체도 엔 들이 신경 처구의 시제 어느 구슬이야 lavne and top job the names